What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome weekend. You'll probably see this after the weekend, but hopefully you had an awesome weekend. So the wheels and tires are finally coming off the Sneaky Cat, so saying goodbye to the race stars. These may make an appearance again. Don't know what I'm doing in the front yet. I do have the rears ordered already. I'm not going to tell you what those are yet, but a lot of work to get the rears on, so tons of videos coming up on that. But I'm actually selling these to a subscriber in Lubbock. He's got a Hellcat. It's got some bolt-ons by TES, and hopefully we'll see his Hellcat later and he could tell you all about it. But he's looking to get some traction, some better traction on his Hellcat, so he decided to purchase these, and honestly they hook up pretty good. So we're gonna get these off and we're gonna get these over to him in Lubbock today. And I plugged up the methanol system. I decided just to throw a bigger bolt in there with some sealant around it. Hopefully that'll hold. And I don't really use the windshield washer fluid that often anyways, so if it leaks it's not a big deal. And I'll replace the tank down the road. I just don't feel like spending the money on that right now because I'm gonna spend the money elsewhere. So big things to come for Sneaky Cat, so let's get these wheels and tires off. Alright, so Kennedy has joined us, and to make life a lot easier, we're going to use this nice Demon Snap-on tool.
It probably won't work though, because you have a Hellcat.
Is this only for demons?
Yeah.
So we're going to use that, take the wheels off, be a lot easier. So I already broke this side loose, break the other side loose, then we'll jack up the front, get the skeins off, jack up the back, get the rears off. Pretty straightforward stuff, right, Kennedy?
See. Cut that out.
You may be wondering what we're putting on the Hellcat in the meantime. We're going to put Kevin's stock Hellcat wheels because I don't have mine anymore. I had to get rid of them when I got the transmission, so to pay for the transmission. So we're going to put Kevin's stock Hellcat wheels on for the meantime, and Kennedy's ordering me wheels, right?
Yes.
I wish. Oh, Kevin fucked me. He's got all these dang tires, and the stock Hellcat wheels are on the bottom. These are Demon. These are for the Demon. Stock Demon tires. Spare Demon tires. Which are the ET Street ARS. And there's the Hellcat wheels. Shit. Alright, so if anyone's wondering how these ET Street ARS hold up, they look brand new. So these have about 5 passes, I think maybe 6 at total, a little bit of street driving, maybe like 200-300 miles at most, but this is pretty normal. This is kind of like what they look like new. Let me go show you a new pair. So this is mine. I'm going to show you a brand new pair. We've got a set over here. There's a dog over there. So this is a new pair. So really, they're pretty close. I know it's hard to tell on camera. I could even measure it for you guys, but I'm telling you, they're really close. Alright guys, so that's it. The stock wheels are back on. The rears have the, if you're wondering, the Mickey Thompson ET Street SS 305 3520. It's a really good tire, especially stock power. This will change the whole feel of your car if you have stock power. Even if you're modified and on the street, this is a really good tire if you want to keep the stock 20s. Just the regular Pirelli P0s up front. And we're saying bye to the chrome race stars. So some people didn't like how these looked. I thought they looked really cool, especially on the satin black. I'm going to upload a few pictures here in just a second, just so you guys can see. Some nice high-res photos of the car with the chrome race stars, but I thought they looked pretty good. Some people didn't like them, but I think it's cool, it's different, made it look more like an old school Challenger. So, the wheels are off. I just need to torque these down. I usually torque them to about like 95 to 100 foot-pounds. And we're gonna get these off to the new owner. And let's go see if we can check out his Hellcat. I'll see you guys in Lubbock. Oh, okay. Alright, so you want to tell us about the Charger? That's your wife's too, right?
Yeah, it's my wife's. I can't have anything that nice. It's 2.9 Whipple, 392, makes 602 at the wheel, tuned by Casey at TAS.
Thing is sweet. I like that. Who did the painting?
Tuned Zinc.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks good. Does that have exhaust or no?
Stainless works headers.
Oh, okay. Alright, so it's got stainless works headers and then just stock catback?
Yep.
Okay. Sounds good. Oh man, that Whipple. So if you don't know his name on YouTube, there it is right there.
Open up the passenger door, put some puddle lights and...
Oh shoot, that's cool.
Is it red?
Yeah. Well, and there's like the SRT and the Hellcat logo on the floor. I like the red trim too, that's cool.
Yeah, I like
You got the Barton shifter and all that.
Yep.
I like it. This one's tuned by TS also, right?
Yeah, Casey does like it to me.
Straight pump gas. Nice. Alright, so tell them about it.
ATI 10% lower, 285 upper Metco, tuned by Total Engine Service, and it made 765 at the wheels, which is equivalent to right at 900 on motor.
Yeah, yeah.
100-degree day.
Yeah, it's been hot here.
West
And-
Texas.
Yeah, it's a good thing about the Hellcats though, you can do minimal mods and make really good power. And now he's got my skinnies and some ET Street ARS, should hook up pretty good. Man, it's good. I love it. Alright guys, so we are officially back in Amarillo. Just a short quick trip over to Lubbock to sell my Race Star wheels. Shout out to James and his wife. She has a 2.9 liter Whipple Scatpack Charger, which is really badass. Maybe we'll make a video or do a review on that someday. And then we got to check out James's Hellcat, which is really cool. And they're both tuned and built by TS Performance, which is in Lubbock. Really well-known shop. They do some cool stuff over there. So shout out James for having us over at his house real quick to sell the wheels. And just a little quick trip to Lubbock. But if anyone else is in Lubbock, you want me to review your car, come check out your car, you want to be on the channel, just hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, any of those platforms. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Really helps the channel. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. And we'll see you guys on the next one.